Oh, hello there, 105. It's been a while since I've seen you. Oh, hello, Timothy. Hey, I wanted to ask you, have you seen Thomas around? Oh, Thomas, I haven't seen him since he went to shunt those trucks for the big engine. Maybe he'll come back later. Yeah, probably right. I'll go and finish shunting those trucks. I'll see you around, Timothy. He makes a good point. Where is Thomas?
Meanwhile, on the island of Solar, Thomas was helping out with the railway work. The LDSCR and the top controller came to an agreement that the LDSCR let Thomas stay in the island. Thomas was repainted into the North Lampton's new livery.
Hello there. Who might you be? Oh, hello there. My name is James. Is this Knapford? No, it is not, but I can lead you there. Don't worry. My name is Thomas, by the way. Well, Thomas, I've seen you were handling the work well. I'm glad you've been doing well, actually. Thanks, Edward. Oh, I'm kinda tired now. I'll go to sleep. I'll see you tomorrow. Very well then. Good night, Thomas. I'll see you later, James. Good luck with your work. Okay, Thomas, see you around. Wait a minute, that track is bended. Oh no! Damn it, damn it, damn it. Someone help! Wait, is that Thomas? Oh god, I need to stop! James, I need your help, please. Okay, Thomas, I'll try my best. Oh, thank you, James. Really. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. Ah, don't worry, Thomas. Anyway, let's head back now. I think you got a little damaged. Wait, how did I get damaged? I barely hit anything.